In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Windows cannot open the folder error. This error usually appears when you try to open a compressed file, like a zip or RAR archive, and Windows can't read it properly. It can happen for a few different reasons. The file might be corrupted, your system might be missing the right tools to open it, or a security setting might be blocking access. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through practical steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem, using only tools built into Windows or safe, commonly used options. First, start by confirming that the file itself isn't the issue. If you downloaded the archive from the internet, try downloading it again, ideally from the original source. A bad internet connection or an interrupted download can easily corrupt an archive and trigger this error. If possible, test the same file on another computer. If it fails there too, the file is very likely damaged and you'll need a fresh copy from the source. Next, check whether Windows File Explorer can handle the archive format. By default, Windows can open zip files, but not formats like RAR or 7Z. Right-click the file and choose Open With. If you don't see an appropriate option, or it gives the same error, install a reliable archive tool such as 7-Zip or a similar program. Once it's installed, right-click your archive. Choose the new tool from the context menu and select Open or Extract Here. This often bypasses the built-in limitation and opens the folder content successfully. If you're still seeing the error, the file might be blocked by Windows Security. Right-click the archive, choose Properties, and look at the bottom of the General tab. If you see a note saying the file came from another computer and might be blocked, check the Unblock box, then click Apply and OK. Try opening the file again after that. Another thing to look at is the file path and name. Extremely long folder paths or special characters can cause issues. Move the archive to a simple location like your desktop or directly to the C drive, and rename it to something short and simple. Then, try opening or extracting it again. Finally, make sure your system is generally up to date. Run Windows Update, restart your computer, and test the archive once more. After following these steps, most Windows cannot open the folder issues should be resolved, and you'll be able to access your files normally again.